mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. August 24, 2024, Saturday Racing. 7 races, all races ay may distansyang 1,400 meter run. Umpisa ng karera, as usual, pag Sabado, alas 3 ng hapon. Race number 1. First choice number 1, Bagsikadin. Second choice number 4, Lady Luis. Race 2. First choice number 1, Blown Away. Second choice number 2, Rise Up. Race number 3. First choice number 1, Electrify. Second choice number 6, Beautiful Day. Race 4. First choice number 5, Yaba Dabadur. Second choice number 1, Crown Jewel. Race 5. Ang ating pong cool and only choice na number 4, Polite Bell. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice number 9, Jengs Heading Up. Second choice number 5, Dolya Rama. Last race, race 7. Race na may Super 6. First choice number 4, Full Control. Second choice number 7, My Jopay. Third choice number 11, Ayuda. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!